Google stock is the #1 stock to hold long-term. Global Edition, Daily World News Bulletin, Monday, April 27, 2026. All news verified by Grok with real-time X.com references. Updated long deep dive into Google #1 long-term hold. Alphabet. Google Guoshi stands as the #1 stock to buy and hold long-term in 2026 and beyond. Forget day trading noise. Own the complete artificial intelligence powerhouse and let compounding work for decades. Here is the full breakdown of every major income stream and exactly why future earnings will keep rising sharply. Start with the biggest stream. Google search and advertising still drive the majority of revenue. In the most recent quarter, search alone generated over $63 billion, growing 17% year over year. Google holds over 90% global search market share. AI overviews now keep users on Google.com longer, which drives stronger visit growth and higher ad revenue. This machine prints cash with very high margins and funds everything else. Next comes YouTube. YouTube advertising brings in over $11 billion per quarter and continues growing steadily. YouTube also adds subscription revenue from YouTube Premium and Music Plus massive creator ecosystem value. This platform dominates video and shorts with network effects that competitors cannot match. Google Cloud represents the fastest-growing major stream. In the fourth quarter of 2025, cloud revenue hit $17.7 billion, up 48% year over year. Analysts expect continued acceleration into 2026, with growth often exceeding 40%. Enterprises shift workloads to Google infrastructure because of the full AI stack, including custom tensor processing units and strong data analytics tools. The cloud backlog already exceeds $240 billion and keeps expanding. Higher cloud revenue means higher margins over time as fixed costs spread and AI services add premium pricing. Other bets include Waymo autonomous vehicles, health initiatives, and more. Waymo already operates robo-taxi services in multiple cities and shows strong growth potential as a future billion-dollar business. Google DeepMind leads AI research worldwide. Today, April 27, 2026, DeepMind announced its first-ever dedicated AI campus in Seoul, South Korea. The campus opens within 2026 after CEO Demis Hassabis met President Lee Jae-myung and signed a memorandum with the Ministry of Science. It will partner with Seoul National University KAIST local startups and researchers for joint AI work in science skills development and responsible AI. This expands Alphabet talent pipeline and innovation across Asia. Veteran BMO Capital analyst Brian Pitts just raised the Guoshi price target to $410 from $400, keeping outperform. He calls Alphabet the best way to own AI across Search Cloud and consumer products. Consensus price targets sit around $350 to $380, with highs near $420 and strong buy ratings. Now look at future earnings growth. Wall Street expects first quarter 2026 revenue near $107 billion, up about 19%. Full year 2026 revenue forecasts reach around $475 to $545 billion. Earnings per share should climb toward $11 to $13 in 2026 and keep rising into the teens by 2030. Capital spending jumps to $175 to $185 billion in 2026, mostly for AI compute data centers and chips. This heavy investment fuels faster growth later. Free cash flow remains enormous, even with spending, because core advertising and search stay highly profitable. Compare the full stack. Alphabet owns the most profitable advertising business on Earth, plus the fastest-growing large cloud, plus true AI leadership through DeepMind, plus YouTube, plus Waymo, and more. No other company matches this combination. AI monetization accelerates across Search Cloud subscriptions and new products, driving higher earnings growth rates in the coming years. Long-term projections show Google potentially reaching $380 to $400 by end of 2026, $500 plus by 2030, and significantly higher beyond as AI becomes core revenue. Berkshire Hathaway owns billions in shares for exactly this reason. Risks include regulation, antitrust scrutiny, and high capital spending, but the moat stays extremely wide. Execution remains elite, and cash generation covers everything. Buy quality like Guiyug, forget daily noise, and watch wealth compound for years. X sentiment stays strongly bullish with momentum calls ahead of April 29th earnings and excitement around the South Korea AI campus. What is your long-term price target for Alphabet Goog? Are you buying more shares now or already holding through the AI build-out? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. Smash like if this deep dive helped and subscribe for more X-powered long-form breakdowns. Next video covers full earnings reaction. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. See you tomorrow for the updated global news. This has been the Global Edition, today's news. Stay informed.